it going, guys? As everybody knows, I love AKs. It's probably my favorite platform. We did the art of the AK. I liked it. Hope you guys did too. But we're just gonna go over some AKs today. This is my AKS 74U, Bulgarian one. It's got a Zenitco B11 rail on it. I like the AK-74 because they don't recoil at all. Very soft shooting. Pretty similar to a 5.56. They're just so comfortable. They're just such simple guns. You don't have to worry about anything but rock and let go, point, shoot. Very simple guns. Kind of utilitarian. You know, the kind of thing you just kind of like beat around, not worry about it too much. They're just fun. This one's got a triangle folding stock on it. Here's that one's sister gun. I was at the regular range yesterday, so I like to use these chamber flags. But I went out here in the woods by myself. Doesn't really matter too much, I suppose. This one is basically the sister gun to that one. Same exact thing, but instead of being an AKS 74U, it's an AKS 47U. Being in that it shoots 7.62 by 3.9 versus the 5.5 4 by 3.9. 5.45 by 3.9. Get my words jumbled up there. Same deal. This one's kind of like a fun truck gun. In case you guys were wondering, these are both SBRs. That's why they have stocks on them with those short little barrels. The other one I'm going to show you here in a bit is not an SBR. Same deal. This one actually recoils a lot with that short little barrel. But 7.62 by 3.9 is a wonderful round out of short barrels as it doesn't lose too much power, even going all the way down to this little shorty thing right here. I have ASR mounts for my my suppressor on them. They're just fun guns to shoot. Easy platform to work with, teach people with. Well, here have an AK-105. This is kind of a Franken gun built off a whole bunch of different stuff. Have a Bolton carrier from an AK-74, got a J-Mac barrel, got a from Definitive Arms their DAG-13 gas block. I just thought it looked cool. You know, I had to drill out the gas port and all kinds of shit to get this thing to function with this gas block. But it's really soft shooting. It's fun. My favorite thing about this gun is probably the KOP rail. I feel like that solves the age-old problem of how the fuck do I mount an optic on an AK. Problem with mounting an optic on an AK is when you have that, you know, your side rail here, you can't close your stock. Go back to another gun to show you guys that. I took the fucking rail off of this one because the stock will only close about this far with it on. It kind of defeats the purpose of a folding stock. But with this KOP rail, folding stock works. You can put your optic on top of the gun. It's just super simple. They have a ton of attachments for the damn thing, so you can have all kinds of things. I just have this long rail because I thought it looked cool. It's kind of the only reason I got this version. If I had, they have smaller ones that mount to specific things. Again, fun gun. This one's really set up to be shot suppressed. Last but not least, one of this year's COVID builds, I did a milled M72 RPK. I just think they look cool. This is one's built off a Tortort receiver. Try not to get mud all over everything because it rained this week and it's all kind of wet and soggy outside. But they're fun. More meant for you know, prone use. Kind of replaced. It's just basically a light portable machine gun meant for suppressive fire. Again, just fun guns. They look cool.